In this video, we will learn how to operate NRR Standalone Reader. First of all, let's take a look on the hardware. The white one is the main unit of NRR Standalone Reader. It is used to tap Octopus and screen display. The black one is the printer stand, which is used to print transaction receipt and settlement report. The one next to NRR Standalone Reader is SP20 keypad, which is used to control NRR Standalone Reader. Now, we are going to learn how to install NRR Standalone Reader. There are 4 sockets at the bottom of white reader, which are RJ45 socket, USB socket, power socket, and modem socket respectively. The modem socket does not require to connect any cable. First, connect external USB cable to USB socket of the white reader, and then screw up. Another end of this cable will connect SP20 keypad later. Next, there are 4 screws at the printer stand. Tighten these 4 screws at the back of the white reader like this way. Then, connect the gray cable to the power socket of the white reader. Connect the white cable to the RJ45 socket of the white reader. The remaining black cable at the printer stand does not require to connect anything, just leave it alone. Connect one end of SP20 keypad cable to the bottom of the keypad. And put the cable inside the groove. Connect the other end of SP20 keypad cable to the extension cable from white reader. Finally, connect power cord to finish the installation. The power switch is located at the top of printer stand. It could be switched on or off to turn on or turn off NRR Standalone Reader. After power on, it takes about 50 seconds to let NRR Standalone Reader be ready.
Please refer to the login name and password provided by the trainer.
If NRR Standalone Reader preset fixed amount in advance, you will see two options after successful login. If you need to activate fixed amount, enter 1 and press enter. Otherwise, enter 2 and press enter. Apart from performing transaction, all operations will be performed in main menu. To enter main menu, first press enter. When you see menu at the display of keypad, press another enter again. Now you can see 9 yellow boxes at the display of NRR Reader. We will take a look at the functions in this menu later. For example, if you want to charge customer for $25.50, you should see amount at the display of keypad. And enter 255. If the amount displayed correctly at keypad, press enter. Now, green light at Octopus Reader is flashing. At top of Octopus Reader in the position of tap card. Customer could tap his or her Octopus to the front of Octopus Reader to complete transaction. If the transaction is successful, receipt will be printed out automatically. If you need to reprint receipt, you need to press enter immediately. The second receipt will show wording of reprint. NRR Standalone Reader can only reprint receipt of last transaction. Earlier transaction receipt cannot be reprinted. To reprint last transaction receipt, press 2 successive enter to enter main menu. Enter 5 reprint and press enter. Enter 1 last transaction and press enter. Now the last transaction receipt is printing out. Incomplete transaction occurs sometimes when customer tap his or her Octopus very quickly, or customer tap his or her wallet, which put several Octopus inside the wallet. These possibilities bring about the incomplete transaction to happen. Let's see how to handle incomplete transaction, to avoid any discrepancy during settlement.
Transaction not completed. Please tap your card again.
If you met the scenario just now, please calm down, and ask customer to tap same Octopus again. To complete the last transaction, tapping again will not deduct twice when incomplete transaction occurs. If the customer did not tap same Octopus again, the device will print out a friendly reminder to remind customer to tap same Octopus again. Like this. Let customer to tap same octopus again. The receipt will also print out the last 4 transaction, to let customer knows that there is no double deduction. If merchant performs transaction with same amount frequently, it could be set fixed amount as this way. Press 2 successive enter to enter main menu. Enter 1 settings and press enter. Enter 1 fixed amount and press enter. At this screen, you can see 4 slots to enter fixed amount. You can freely use these 4 slots without any restrictions. It means you do not need to fully use of these 4 slots. For example, set $10 at first slot, enter 1 and press enter. Then enter 1, 0, 0 to set $10, and then press enter to confirm. At second slot, set $25, enter 2 and press enter. Then enter 2, 5, 0 to set $25. And then press enter to confirm. Press cancel to exit. After that, if you want to charge customer for $10, enter 1 and press enter at keypad. NRR Standalone Reader will directly charge $10. NRR Standalone Reader could assist customer to check last 4 transactions record of his or her octopus. Press 2 successive enter to enter main menu. Enter for inquiry and press enter. Enter 1 octopus and press enter. Customer could tap his or her octopus to the front of Octopus Reader to check last 4 transaction record. Press enter to print out last 4 transaction record. Information on the receipt is the same as screen displayed. Before settlement, NRR Standalone Reader can print out all transactions from last settlement until this moment. Press 2 successive enter to enter main menu. Enter for inquiry and press enter. Enter 5 print all transactions and press enter. Press 1 more enter to print out. All transaction is then printed out with octopus number, transaction date and time, and transaction amount. Remember, transaction record will be cleared after settlement, and settled transaction cannot be printed out. NRR Standalone Reader could connect Wi-Fi to perform settlement. In order to set up Wi-Fi at NRR Standalone Reader, you need an external USB keyboard first. To help you to enter Wi-Fi SSID and password, your Wi-Fi should consist of password. NRR Standalone Reader cannot connect Wi-Fi network without password. Press 2 successive enter to enter main menu. Enter 1 settings and press enter. Enter 6 communication mode and press enter. At the screen under communication mode, make sure option 1 communication means is showing Wi-Fi OSDX. If not, enter 1 and press enter, until you see Wi-Fi OSDX at option 1, and restart NRR Standalone Reader to set up Wi-Fi again. Now, enter 6 Wi-Fi OSDX settings and press enter. You can see this screen. Press enter again. You can see the screen to ask you to input Wi-Fi SSID and password. You can now disconnect SP20 keypad and connect USB keyboard to enter them. If this screen jumps out, you need to swap back SP20 keypad to enter this screen again. After entered SSID and password, Press Enter to test Wi-Fi connectivity. If both information enters correctly and Wi-Fi connects successful, you can see the screen show pass. Now you can swap back SP20 keypad to continue operations. If Wi-Fi network is not stable, you may choose to use LAN cable to perform settlement. Press 2 successive enter to enter main menu. Enter 1 settings and press enter. Enter 6 communication mode and press enter. At the screen under communication mode, make sure option 1 communication means is showing LAN OSDX. If not, enter 1 and press enter until you see LAN OSDX at option 1, and restart NRR Standalone Reader to set up LAN connection again. If your wired network is assigned IP address automatically, which means DHCP, you do not need to enter 3 LAN OSDX settings. Just make sure the LAN cable at printer stand connects to your network or router. The settlement should be performed before day end. Press 2 successive enter to enter main menu. Enter 7 settlement and press enter. You can see start settlement under the screen of settlement. Press enter again. At this moment, NRR Standalone Reader will use the preset communication means to transfer transaction record to Octopus server to perform settlement. If Octopus Reader is connecting Wi-Fi, there is an icon at top right-hand corner of the screen. Blue signal indicates Octopus Reader connect Wi-Fi network successfully. After settlement, the device will print out settlement report. There is a LED at the back of printer stand. It will light up when thermal paper is set up correctly. It will be flashing when printer lid did not close completely. It will light off when there is no thermal paper. If you need to replace thermal paper, open the pulling ring at the top right-hand corner softly. And then pull the printer lid out. Put the thermal paper into printer stand like this way. Take some thermal paper out. After installed thermal paper, close the printer lid and push back the pulling ring. Make sure the LED lights up. Otherwise, repeat the previous steps again. The dimension of paper roll is 58 mm in width, times 50 mm in diameter. If you see SP20 keypad shows PED tampered, this keypad cannot be used now. You need to contact Octopus Equipment Maintenance Service Center to replace a new one. The phone number of Octopus Equipment Maintenance Service Center is 22662828.